Right, Yama Abusian for Ajonia Makwaba and from Sinopi on Kumawood TV, and then the 7th day in the month of July 2020. It was so Name Eddie Crack, I want to say, Boss Bassas here, no Baba. If the first day in the month of January, Abisa Bakoswa Ediako, Bibi Edia, and any moon from our war. And Pagubi na boy, and inya ememua, na ya century of Yapo said, Ayabotre, is soon upon one repemuno, but share and Rassum said immediately this Sinupi, to me at Nancy, na Yisupi. Nano, Common at Dawson, my first guest, at Nancy. Now, to Bantama, from Mukras also. Deputy of staff or Barbie mini primary or poor na Yabi na dear Jimmy Binamre na yet to me as in piety and Comasanso and Yabertoso Nafi some oh my God, especially Enra and the opposition National Democratic Congress Elisamu Kuno it to me a Coban Krumu na John Dramani Mahama His Excellency a Professor Jane na Poku Adama. Say Omar running mate and far and December 7th January elections. I will say be right after the selection one and Yao Babna Samoa, the right of communication for the NPP, and so as a beautiful issue. Someone there to join here and send me was about the credibility party or form it is no pan over in your Mukra. Also, a communications minister and my Ghana. And so it will be before. Say a more end campaigning, my mom never be an answer on cancer be a big woman, and also your panel. If he Jane, Uku Ajimai, Professor, and a new Mawati, you wouldn't get back. Never can of my gun, a politics, on the Vinamre, now for yet to meet at home and still on the Electoral Commission, so it was registration as I know, a Electoral Commission say the first 6 days, no. I register over 2.2 million Ghanaians, and I'm going to register on so far for the first 6 days. I'm 8 me a year to one. I'm moving from one police station to another. No so my name and communication and the information ministry and the Ghana Health Service. It me a year joint press conference. The normal briefing every Tuesday, Thursday, so I'm at the back. Actually, His Excellency name. Or isolation 3 days near the Hoyapa, Diantono, yes, or Yare, Tigana for one movement or company, Yadis or Yare, the close relative. When I say your bandy pan, and then I really something at the Atugano. Now, Ross Safomafo, Senior Minister, so, or just or no so Yare, COVID-19, idea of Safomafo, so any beer, or no so a doctor, food and swap, or as a Yareno, a real, or my Ghana. As I speak with you, 21,968 cases. And I recorded or mining just in a day, we recorded 891 new cases in our country. The average of 400 in a day will share a free Mercacra every you know. That's a Ghana for Yareno, a content. The backlog runner and my young soprano for the Ghana Health Service. No. And also those to see a it's me, let's observe the protocols. As I speak now, 129 deaths, and I recover. And one depends on the year. Surprisingly, it depends on the moon if they are Shanty region. And so far, 63 deaths out of 129, 63 is from a Shanty region, and other regions, no, at me actually. Still, Yareno a common for active cases I walk so far 4,683 and active cases I walk, and then we have about 5 patients or more other ventilators so and Arabic to 73 districts and Yareno a new case recorded it's me a recording Eddie if we remember now yet to me Eddie and come out of Fia and Sanso and civil society organizations, and so about 200 civil society organizations. As Daniel Yao Demevlo, no, Ghana Auditors General, Nano Juada, and was said leave us. Almost said there be almost said the Mampanica so on proceed on leave no and so into Mampanica some fan review because the man is fighting against corruption in our country. And remember we been na to me Eddie and also so and come up and Michael Nana Adumako with me after Mr. Mike Asida and Koma Muiz Herbal Center Dr. Muhammad Isa Abibu Yare Eddie Yare de Okanakatia Pina Mobenam so et me Asaya Sanso and a ghost with casket. So when you're a year and also this is a free money pay for Naka, you never go from near sign Eddie free war, a ghost with Kumasi and a monster so a war. What did channel or the back on 0543 596 070 0543 596 070 on WhatsApp. The screen and you with me on the channel for so at the bar. So we are live on Facebook, Kumawood TV, and then on YouTube, Sam Dakus TV. I didn't tell the Fawa, if it's me sorry, that can kind of about. Once again, a very good evening. You go so easy to be. Now, Mr. Emra, Yaba, Yabdinko, Babato. Right, yes, I am from a Silopi on Kumawood TV, the number one social political program late in the afternoon. I transit, it was so, yeah, now to me, a Silopi. Paul, sorry, Papa, man, Baba Cody, Oboko. We now boom one, I said, we know we are my phone. Mantima lesson. The Mokui.
10 years.
Who's that? Right. Gamba Baba. Boko there.
Boko.
Mantima is saying.
Mantima came so far.
Mantima Boko.
Come. Problem here.
Now, member of Parliament, don't know what you're saying.
Oh, no,
so, after elections, no more property and no more.
Actually, me and Cassette, the moon. But my visa, the colleagues, be almost in the
Mountain Council. On friend who is honorable after we know the Akos.
Must send them a message.
Well, responded.
Oh, Sinchi, Finance Committee.
Okay. And Papa, you are already working here, or Sinchi. Member of the Finance Committee. More than Bow property. One a.
The answer a corn in I call him. I just into a church I had so the phone in for now, the chief was on your man, chief.
Robert is the same. Because when a member of Parliament.
No, Batman, dear, one said, aside 275 constituencies, Batman, the Batman, the because they will see you, your chief of staff, and the financial space. And the say, on the time. Chief of staff, no more member of Bantam. And they said, "Be a to a bet, and then be a back on the tire." I say, more cocoon, put the wood and anymore. Now, what could do Nasa? nti wo be dia chi na we mbra sanity because Bantima the radio don't be any papa because Henry can never go for.
Yeah.
Seriously. And no share Henry can never go.
So on no ne watchem kokon yes. Na two honorables. So na yefe. We are and I sent to quality the blues paper. But we share we now on be to be a both as at that particular point in time. Okay. Right. So after some collections, part notice idea na koso Bantima. Marshal exercise na sia. Exercise na mo no. Other side am lose here, whatever what dem for no. Omo support it.
Ebe das Bantima, ebe chia empen for ebe chia chairman fee. Ebe chia empen for na free the chairman so ebe premier last delegate yemi. Ebe chia obi a Bantima bia. Now, after say they call prime minister by as a Bantima, Obia Yarin Kakra, or Modin Yadura, this prime minister, Mineso. Inti Namia Abdom and then Obia, and then sorry, my friend, my boss, my friend Kofu, Noye, as and so, and look as our last 3 days, and also Noye. Chamabuati, hopefully, so was sent to your I believe, say, Obia, and at them beyond Bantamano, Osha votes nearby, a massive votes. Into Yemina, Kakred in the good year. Into your own answer to us collectively. Yeah, do want to push this. Won't see I want to do no more master to recover. I come one on I know. I'm here to pursue registration into the vehicles.
I'm going to gamble all access so far. Information about myself is not ado. Yeah, I didn't call self isolation because the inner circle member be COVID-19. I'm for so honorable so. But you are not about Bantam Bay elections. I'm for fun. Only living without cosine. His Excellency. Open by a city.
I'm saying by a Mantia, for me, to shame. Delegacy, Bantima delegacy, coordinator, Cynthia Michianopa, Michel Bishop for every minute. Every December may come on Saturday. Now, question will be Sammy. Say, will be Samia. Next year, Cassay, Deputy Chief of Staff, on a band and I'll do on a day via virus, maybe a command and I'll do an idea to this. We just say Deputy Chief of Staff on one and another now.
That's what the name be.
I am the chief, and then they 2 days, minute chief, I didn't come.
So
I made just yes, sir. But chief or by election, or dinner home and just say when I are you, or by election, ye crana near support the sunny dinner chief, ye cry, yes, abre. Never pay ya, offering kind no about Kumasi, no call, no about no raha, with me meeting with me on 2 o'clock, and I do be granted, Dania Cordena. One bread. And he said, Mekra, and be a minute for me, I make a chief says, I breed. Mestre said, Nepo Joa Home. Then, yes, be a or ya, would you a home, I mean, yes, or so ya. Eh, I'm home here, the nipper there. Sometimes we go hospital cry. Doctor to me, when you say, I know a catch or say, Unyari. Kofi, Copedi, and Liberty, and Joa Home. Until we just say, who could Joa Home and literally say, when you're COVID-19 dinner. Papa baby and I did get this. We need to be as a chief. There will problem be as a
one now we are grassroots and we are campaign. Must the number of the crop. Any day I be offended, honorable or trying what they crop for. Movie a dear and among 2 minutes to bring all of them together. On say, Mema make us in which or say, you risk life to save life. One risky life, I want to be save life. And election and so on, oh, qua a kitty. And the next say, Fanny say, any NDC for an air coalition, a year 1 pot, and then you try one air coalition. Into any kitty. We present the candidate, but we present the candidate by tea. A yet they are, you can sing be near what you want to be back. At the end of the day, it will be a quack of the but you are to a baby. Bibia, you come.
we ya ne support to honorable chief Asenso Boakye yaba platform so abekasa say wa ye kasa ye mu ye fumu ana bia ye bibi eti a wo mfache ama honorable da na ochemu nkrofo so abe same ama ye nyina ya tan aka boma ye nyina registration ya ye beka ho asem I hope say ye beka ho asem ye nyina ya koshia Sunday no ye ne coordinator koshia meeting e wo koshia ya ko ka ho asem ye nyina na ye koshia ya sabe ye nyina enye election na etwam ni na say ye bi ne ho bio enu de etwam but ye 2020 no ntia wo say nya nka wo team na say say strong me nya sure say election na e call ye no candidate na ye de ne ba na ye de ne ba say onko NDC ye de ne ba say onko NPP na me aya adom ye nya candidate na wi nti ba bia na ye pese wo ko e ho na de say ye nyina ya dwene wo so what I say na ba ntima no nso so no say ye call election na ye nya wi ni do ba wi ni no nya wi ni wi a ye wi ye nyina do fa ye de nyina ya ba kota ni ba ntuma de wo fe ye election dia ye gidigidi but ye wi a unity is too much.
But me in your DB say 4 years back one it 4 years back one it 2. Sana moya yen wana fi say a year to so a
there be any sanity. So we honorable Cecilia Abnada pa or 8 years. Honorable
after say Abnada pa
I honorable Kufu. And
for 4 years.
Kukufu 4 years, honorable Kukufu 4 years. No opposition. So what else?
And I'm to abetia.
And you to abetia.
So for 4 years.
Or 4 years. It started honorable Kukufu. When you say yeah, that was a Bantima Oba. Oko 4 years. Oko 4 years. There be any sanity. Started honorable Kukufu. Okay. Into we are Gabo and yes, be a
after say be a 4 year baba to years and so watching. And then be a my own self more
as so watching there. You knew no then I'm banned there. Quite be soon. Who say papa no you be an assume. Okasa oti. Okay. And I wouldn't say be an so bad. Or no tenacity. In your hotel mount with you when she say in we. The papa we pa a coma you put up papa na. He didn't achieve born. Papa near steady do. He steady the pass and the name. Okay. So what I say? Because you decay a mistake. The name person are we no best another mistake. Into a tree was you redeem papa no say papa we do bar or boy any a dinner. Into and I won't be a was you too. Now you bonnet children said they are make us an assume. Ye grassroots, ye call underground in information be near the brainer or the edge. Because on your my ye crying to Abama, and near man information be or the edge. Meet Mark say information say the man now. Or T2 one who say grassroots you will be a no information now or the year to man and no be a bare 60%
no money winning
and the man winning or you'll be an assume into a one at
I was over here CLP on Kumawood TV. You think of aftermath of Bantima parliamentary primaries and before and then when we have clarify say information say on our and so much that chief of staff or no. And when you have COVID-19, that was another for Bantima for one of us and so watching Professor Debbie and then Cressa. And then there is reality after elections. I also I didn't say on 0543 596 070. Who are the Tribia Fabra in your black kind for more? I'm sorry. Master registration is a special Bantima. A question.
My name clarify on a sensible issue. Since what you only call a dreamer.
I'll give you one now.
No, since I told me, call a dreamer. She sent a phone off to unquote micropins and another. I can't say the same way. You know, so when you have COVID-19, no. Who's a COVID-19? A real. Or being near be I am fun conscious with it. You know, won't call a dreamer crown and poor.
But some parties and for can say, yes, one may already be on the other side.
Possibly maintain, maintain, but on the other side, no, you're going to say, it's me, on Quedrima. Obi all bands may be any sass and so much on Quedrima. No, Kumasi, but on Quedrima. Seriously, from the name, because Obi all bands may be one penny for the enemy say, after some so to renew and was switching the phone of switching off on Koiduma. Then 3 days minutes also went to me crying and Koiduma because election, but my election I call you know, also election. What is the idea will be 3 months on TV? I want my hot. I say, baby, the idea will be 3. Seriously. I'm a fuck when you was in that, and I am papa, General Waters. They were born in Fipa.
Which is a Lord. Lord, for the power of the platforms, you can also find it for me. I feel it.
Oh, feeling Lord,
let me feel it in my Ochem because time is not Lord, and I'm not.
Lord, then I know it's one woman. A Lord, and why I be my Lord, yeah, be my name as a Lord in my by Uncle Far, on Casa Semeku, or Bantama. Anyway, until you also James, when say it's united by MPP and the Yakun, but to me, Emma and I know call for no so dear foot to him to be true, but definitely a 2 nature say, Uncle Tinefina on that. Also, to say, I want to come up with some, you know. On some church in on some palm 1 pipino. But my dear, the beer I can, that's a Coswa Maca. But we are all united. And I want them as a 10 beer, let's say beer, will be about 4 years, near the 2 will be near to Yaba. But my moons are never to make on down Guam. Yawakoso, a subcontinent. And that they are very unlucky. Okwa, no pine, I or honor, just a 77.
Who's also one table?
Quite yet.
Okay.
Among that same class, I have red. And see, offer swap, what you say, what for the beer, and then Nippon said, what oh, fuck was super to walk with grass. I shouldn't be. Oshima from a bit to say, Oshima from Shidim, upon for both school, body, radi body, school bar order. As I should be about. Today, and so young. Na Bantaman Kabum na free development. Now, in whom said development was and so to the extent say, on one Casako came, or Jelatano, if we came, any best say, delegates listen, on one Casako by a GBP and Tim said, Bantamas and so much development. I said, I want to be so. And not that to man, let's be a or be back opera, one development you want to enter. And I didn't never say, baby, Bantamako. He said there was Yaka, yes, a percent ended 4 years now. Ended for 4 years. And Tinia Fanny Palmy and Sa, and you got never go for Castle Bano. Osha Mommy and Sa, not you let me have the Bantam and I found no ass and so what. Because what say, development need to be brave with my money. And Untina in I won't proper to a man. And you said, dear, your task, or tap, and your time, but not about to make development. Oko Bantam Kunuma, you should talk with man and Bantam. Ubetima na mbanti, but I'll go for you should I want to be nancy. O can't bring to me. Tiafin here, Bantam so they would Doctor Nina Ababidi. Doctor Nina, but then Tina Bantama here, so not can show up and to me. Tonight, Pedro didn't put you a Baba Bantama. And it's collectively. So about the warrior, but Bantama constituency now can say young Punchu. The young Punchu, and Caso Bianca, what you know, by one year. He was doing good. See, I'm not going to say, here, why financial, I want to turn him finance committee for national, I want to turn him. He was doing good, but Batman entirely, boy is not national when he said, 4 years, my friend, my friend, meant to me for making a couple of schools. Maybe I will be to meet me in Congressano. Oshima from school, you were Muchako and Masana, she did Muchako and Masana over the school, Carbon Cola, and today never. So I was a period when the young Yablo, I was a period in Punchu Bed and Ebeba, and Internet collectively, in now should vote to pull by Bantama, almost 275 constituencies all down. Jay, and your chin can say by just a Bantama entirely in young Punchu. See, the young registration, you are canceling your can't once in. The last time Bantama pulled 87%. But when you pay 80,000 plus in a 12 hour. And this time, your bumper is a big increasing votes. I go almost 95,000. Yeah, we together we work. then you once you increase tally no from 87 to 95. And you know, you die there. You two about you be I crowd say the dawa into no any one to give me I sorry. A chairman say we are. And I want to say two about you know, no do crack. Feel no so yeah, entirely Bantam is coming together. If your researchers they are all on board to improve the tally vote of Bantam. And you say they are Bantam and that.
Right, I was also Sinopi on Kumawood TV. For them, several number and can into me and far and more. You didn't come up, oh, Bantam, you have a teasing Jane Nana Puku, and I face a COVID-19 and Jake. Azantuli ever journey now for get me at us. Number
boss.
As I never say, easy as I was about.
Oh, see, idea. Meeting like I say, more day. We hear our car amount for the call registration grounds, you know. You know, though we say Yario system, no, 19, no, real, but you see the precautions in the amount for. Follow BBI Koso Kama. So we call registration centers living now we said a month for Mosia to Tony Amana. Ukrabe will need to cross over register with the attention. But to one Miati says area be our maybe a with me a register. Now Boshe particular yeah there no Nanka yeah last week Tuesday. But MCA is a son and she said no. I'm on the upper last year, you register last cry. Until my first alcohol will say so. Now, made the I catch the bushing phone in a bushing and pattern, bushing cropo, and then I should want to nominate the caca home. So, won't register, say, Mekan say, Mo bien cover, bien conquer register. Mummy and chain. Namia Doma, yet the never back. If you drew bushing, me na yenya putre. Na register bibia e wo pushing because ma be enya ntia se be bia wo be register na wa na wo be to wa ba na hu se be ya se wo be ka register wo krufu na afi e be du time wa e be to wa ba na bi kura wo nya ka iska kura wo be ko ho se wo ba ko to wa ba na te se wo to wa ba ni e be se be bia wo tin na wa na wo se wo register na me ya do pushing kura do ma sa free new police station na me ya do ma registration you do wa be try say be register bushing was our area in Bibia I come Misafa Konya is so much here the group we afraid concern youth Bantama concern youth but ya Munina members in
was it good evening sir Mike please ask Gambo for me if as and so watch it has respected the people of Bantama after the election.
He has sure why I respected the people of Bantama. Adas. Who's I crying and catch us in the sway? That's why I know you're COVID-19. You're really one on the stress until I was so turn one way or put two things together. I had there or as real and what does it or really what does it. Your essence would does it. Be a das until I respect the people of Bantama or respect your son or by a demand also son respect it. Until you ask why you are dias. I may only say, to abam many poets in a year. Until you has really respect the people of Bantama.
Say, you are David Crow somehow, who really Panacra Namukeka. You will go over, I say, we are dear manner. We are dear manner, when we are no crown can't throw seven Davasia. And a more move to Grana, and a more quite to make a such will say, I dare be a mass messy. The near so. Now, and a more we are to look at say, or Damasen. No, I was so what ye to a baby. In I do things of a panowabre. Say, me 15 mass and as in American papa wabre. And Yeah, movie crying and the Casa, I say, honorable, baby, I say, oh, could you want me? I say, oh, could the baby now to want me? Also, brandy and more. The papa no question any pande by no say on respect say you know na me mu say okra na wo na me ntia asem na see ye but say na see dia oni problem bia e wo sa na mutu no say the menu Paul kan no kwan bi so no wade dase ama ye kra na ye supporters no ya sa ba platform so abe the nasia bre bantuma delegacy ni na me sa wo me ankasa kra particular me sa wo group bi omo ye non delegacy omo ye Bushen Asenso fan club omo na ye beto aba no mo ko electoral areas information centers no mo ko sre delegates say omo nto omo aba ema honorable Francis Asenso Boachi ewe ye ko ma ko Angel FM omo ko stations bebre omo sa ko information centers ni na akodeda delegates no ase say ne mo ye no ema honorable Francis Asenso Boachi no aso omo ani you say na say no from different angles. Okay. It's make us say I am more to my pa.
Okay. Right. I was sure you so think about Sinopi Kumewu TV. I say Gambo, kudos to you and Paul. Asenso is an asset to Ghana as a whole. We from Shaibu Bushen and Shaibu Eddie Abba. Was a good evening, Sir Mike. Please tell Honorable Asenso Boachi to also come to your studio and give thanks to you. Right, right. In chat, Yakumra, Yaba, Jake, but before then, Paul Minister of Fana will be.
Yeah, Meda, me coordinators. Ebi amitabo, me onkofobi wa, I'm supporting from the sister units, Michelle, as a sister. Association America.
Oh, okay.
Now say what? I'm also a non-delegate. Kingsford non-delegate.
Kingsford are there.
One come to the neighbor.
Oh, okay. Kingsford are there.
Yeah, come to the neighbor. I work with the December. Yeah, the neighbor because by telling them time only at the nine Besaba, I had a safe you. And I mean,
that's all. No, you need now.
Why am people? Okay. And
I come watch it.
Wakaya.
Only this no safe flag. I think before 2016 elections, NDC New York press conference was seeing the flag. Was see NDC flag beyond. Bantama guy na can answer no more. Kingsford are there.
Once a tembi America say, "Oh, playmaker." Yeah, and he had that tone. Or Bantama no, once will be a key player or beat him now. Turn say he's an asset. So when I Madame coordinator John Safo. Bushman from for Mutuabama this time a massive 44-7. Incredible.
Right.
See, you get the Bantman phone in us. And Miaka Samadi in Cynthia Baba Coupe.
Oh, I read it.
They be coordinator Bakupa away in Monopan Moba. And I'm a penny for Bantman.
All right. I was a chair, Maba. Yaba. Yaba. Right, yes, I am my Vakwaba, and I Silupi on Kumawood TV. So, 80 and Combo, while you're celebrating Yamre, and can kind phone 0543 070. Oba no mana yetia. Bi mo ha mo twere pa TDC. Na le kan ayede. Brief na Yamre come on. Jake Azantilo, NDC Regional Communication Team member. Ewufia so and Apora sorry so Jake Kwaba
ya ne o mina
boko de
no
why feel
only that
who you face mask
ya ni timi ka se ko ni bra ba ya ne kum ni ba se ma ni bra ba pa so na o timi be ma ya ne ko
I don't know say me ni bra ba ni so
se ma ni be so ne be o ma so ne ya celebration.
Okay, so Yarane ba na mpani ani yedi nkomo. Me ba oni yedi nkomo mra no. O say ye share nose mask. Ye use hand sanitizer. Ye wash your hands. Ye observe social distancing. You avoid crowds and all those things. And only yet the mpani catch This oka na say ujik. When tia, why should we blame on
we only the money mama. We ya. One kofu. Chishayana, Mrana, or the man seeing this or the core parliament. Parliament passes, see a bear and you, Omundiso. And then there are some young one.
I don't go for to say.
Oh, Nina NPC no go far no year, my ministers. Who do love to say about my resilience here? I can't go as here. We can know my Ghana country be anymore. Say minister, Yashamra. Our MP. Atina parliament Yashamra. No, I catch her so. You're any buyer, and my daughter's a catcher, me so betting me a year crack. No, so I catch her. Sir, me peer and session good too. No, no, me go for baby in Tankasa, and now they share me no smiles in Intina peer. What that's only number. Me once I saw for them. I saw for your cars and more whom I saw, I'm quite a children, whom them. Oh, if you are small, the sin and apple father that you count, the say papa. Or your lawyer by Nima or Yina, make us a bam ready, Nicholas and Cofield order because a honey and friend, a bamra, Senka baby, or Betty Crown, or honey, Nicholas and Papa and Philly. See the every before the bomb, and an apple father or your lawyer now or buy or betting somewhere yard, and a coffee, it's every plea, and Nicholas and Cofield or I want to go. Ya pa say o man part is Ghana e demra any because only man go tia man panyin aka so ka say o di mra bi ko parliament ni agia to see the be ya re ni because o mu say ya re ni start free abuchi e kum ni be bibiri no man panyin mu say dia o ka ya say Ghana for sebiru ya so de nka ni sa ana man panyin ya say one family and page go for besu and so and now look coy now you're passing Ranama. If you're passing Ranama, it will be no Cassane or my penina Cassacrania. Oh, I did no. Oh, I did. Oh, but I said the old person can order come by the source or Yabi.
All sorts of them,
the source will be the source.
Ghana Health Service.
Minister of
Information. Ghana Health Service. And cancer on the new information I want to say. Will be a penny and one penny at a negative, but still no one said a bear and for a diamond on one air call isolation.
When you say, once a time be out to over try. And was a senior troll.
The same.
Over Kaya. MPC no parliament. One of them with a Kabaka said, MPC ni bien yabia. Omusande ba parliament. So I can't answer now because also only the leaders. Into a test of the report in the below. So I tell you, a dino and dino grow mabo watcher or leaders. Obaka so MPC ni bien yabia, Ediba parliament. Chairman's a bonsu. So I'm MP. Leader and what and they deny ama omu titi Ghana for what we need people for mutaki mutaka sa papa we de won kan kure sa na ebire bi wo twantro nsem bebre sa atam no ebia so tumi ye omu de nti na bebe a be na easy adi go to parliament no na omu hia for 21 days a ebe ma tro sa amra enu nti omu defend say nya no kure mecho wie ya na chairman sabunso parliament no wa swala dina ho wonti na ya me ya no Ghana ya mfamra nya edwuma no wa swala dina ho so wonti asese MPC ni bia nya yare ni bi ne workers ni bia nya wo da so de ba edwuma na tese onim wo hu so wo ba edwuma afa na mutaka asam na ya ka se kram ni twantro no afa na baba ya se kristo ni mo ni twantro ni susu mi ye kristo ni de na ya me ya kama di mutakata na kram ni pa utwanto se program na oduru mo ma bo fam na utwanto sa afa ko US na ko yese chairman sabunsu na wo kwa asori mo mo ma uguta ba wo mo na utwanto emi tira me kasa o ma panyi dia ne sa na eko utia sa ya titia ni ye di agro bo mo se sie ni yeso report bi ba ka so oni bi ifiri ho ani aka sa yare ibu ntinya abi yi no mo pe kwai akoye o mo primaries ni ena o ma pe ni podue tu wonim say after primaries ni ena ya pipi pe info ni nyina nya ya de
why don't go say because
do do say na woni minnim kura to no minnim kura say atafo ba fa nya bi
so mafia
president ko wa nya bi woni ni
before ene le de no o man confirmation mo nya
ani ti na me ka say wo so be mi so am wo president mo nka on ko ba bia ba o ko congress na ase no o mo ko je o ma panyi tu mu no epidane so mo de papa no ko na papa no mo do ko ma papa no nka on ko ba bia tu ya fa ni say ayi nya bi ya fa ni say da mo tu mu nyina nya bi omo no so promise na na o mo ko nya ni nyina o mo ko nya bi firi eni me akoso mo ma nka no kwa mu tituo ana de bia mo so o ma panyi o bo no mo badi na ni pewu ana me no kasa ni pa be 122
129
and you
129
Tama after 29 kwa bin chakiru so Tama ye bo man panya ba so do West Africa do man panya o bo no mbadi na ni pa ba ko pa na ewu ne di pa no manya ya na ya 150 and ni pa nya ya no akọ be 20 something thousand ye kusuka bo na ba so Ghana pa ni ewe obi wu baku omso Nigeria fo nya se ni wuye nti se ye wudi a aye ene ekusu po mampani abaso de bia obedina no kasa ye so wa ya ade mimi Ghana nkwa na minim se sa woni kasa na che so ye adwuma o mampani ayanya ni vice president ayanya ne kasa de o mo ya ade o mo bedina kasa ye o mo se ya mo yensam o mo kasa wie so ye wie sa press conference de bia no mo ka de bia me betina me ka cha o se PPs doctors nyabi nurses nyabi ko for team atie onu nurses do do manya more than 500 ani anyabi pe doctors ni pe wu ya ka na mu ba so na ko konfa no chikowe wa ya ma
wale bukura say some weeks no I need to
ba mu kusu ka ani ya kwa na ba so wa ya ade wo die
pene no de plenfo so
aya kasa na o kana na o kasa se wo be jira no ka kire so me di PPs it be 100,000 me di aba na ade ni wa na kasa na o kasa
okay Paul mentio ele Ghana Health Service de omo ese niema ba ko minu mi nse bi na ebia ento yi ye wo other health practitioners are one about ntia beka se kabe yanka isi kwa on suspended registration exercise or no and then we move through her GS I want to say I schools no no ha say kasa so mo fra no bi mo nya bi Accra girls say mo fra no be nsia bi nya bi nya ade but GS no I will come and talk again. Do you still think say mampani and as a buy no born home or na Ghana for so one thing and as a kakra e wo abana ka chi
say Mike yare we in NDC no be yare we chu I share my initiative awaya. Was it Arena Car, one of his close friends, or Nippon in the year and what he has suspended, say, no quarantine 2 weeks. It's an example of protocols I did buy. Seriously, the other way, protocols now, oh, no, go out for no smash. Dear me, I am.
But I'm a penny, dear. Well, my man couldn't come on, so, my man come on, so now, many Dr. Osei Busu, or a political science lecturer at Methodist University in Kudikopo. Doc, what take a car and why you was in the episode of Mo TV?
Yeah,
I don't want to be our call.
I don't know.
Doc, yeah, share Enra, Jane Nana Buku Ajiman, and His Excellency John Mahama, you know, as running mates. Going forward, December 7th elections.
You can say innovation in Ghana politics, especially the two big political parties in Ghana. This is the first time Bakui Baba as a ruling mate. And the other say women empowerment.
But NDC, some of you one at this time run over air time and year for this period of more opposition. I want your bar air running mate. No, is that right?
I think, sir, the issue is not about Blah and also Bema, but what is he bringing on board? Here.
What a dear Parliament, maybe now I can't end this.
For me, maybe a minister or the BB Fufobia Babaka. Modern politics, the president to me a pure politician. As we not technocrats be now one children, and in most cases, the vice president, according to our constitution, supposed to be the chairperson of the economic management team. Though our managing team, the because we are president here, or a communication expert. That's also a professor in English here. That's a meaning now the same line. There wouldn't be any addition there or there. Secondly, the woman was given opportunity as a minister of education. Now, Nigeria said, so this is academia, Barcelona, and 14 voters from the academia. We will see her as one of our own. Into the moment when promoting into Abamana. But to a buy a dear Ben academia. Book allowance and research allowance were scrapped off. We can say, so a tool, so preserve researcher. Now I apply. Fanny said, Nichiradio University, natural traditional political institutions in Ghana. We call something in the students. And if you're in Kohoko, I feel I made that apply for research allowance from Accra. The time was carried but we said nothing is a motive. We call the pre-tertiary Bonwa, the teacher training allowance. Even the informal statement made by the Mrs. Misata, Umamu Choku, Yamamu Choku Chihan. We guys are saying, the Choku will be a Sanka Mamu Sunkoka. We did a chance of the field and want to improve in and to be who will be kind NDC.
But it was a cancer, we know a negative aspect. Among for whom say NJE, but I fire against some kind of positive. It must say or buy and technical university, the polytechnic said we are paying our technical universities. The issue of training colleges are you are paying our diploma. Any some new universities are and at NDC time no. Almost it's me at the back. One aspect also.
The GD said, parody of education, you know, as a non-form for politics in Ghana, it was President Kufuor's time, and that policy in by Emma College of Education, Korea diploma, and a degree so almost I said just last year, the first batch of degree in almost second year, and into the any person of that time by. College of Education.
Na so we can say bia almost say to hono
no, and the natural said the policy came during President Kufuor's time.
Okay.
All the 38 governments College of Education and then the other you cover my 46 in a tertiary institution. And as only a national service because our policy is a university as well call national service. And so I'm class on Bapa in the this is a necessary because of Senator about tertiary institution. Also a rotation. It is a form of national service.
Now universities are also by University of Allied Sciences and then polytechnics are would be upgrade degree and universities no.
Oh yeah. One more idea. But here the purpose of establishing the polytechnic. It's supposed to be a technical university, said the Awokan. So they occupy almost all the polytechnics. One more we are counting any other courses or any technical. One more also say the technical aspect in the purpose of which those polytechnics were established. Because they are not university. A dear bear up to noon, a dear bear machinery, equipment, the dear coha, the better more technical students. University of Allah a year working. I think say in programs autonomous STEM. And I'm so established here. I'm not saying say when you be here, but there are certain pertinent issues. You say I'm one month.
One of the issue of gender, say no, a man who say okay, yeah, dear Naba, I feel a man, a dwelling and you know, young first support a man, and then again, the reason of free airban, intimate and favor in DC.
Seven Dika can say, a good to say, Yama, a pan, a moon, a quenya, so also the baby zero. The young will be greatest mistake during the multi-trade issue. Oyonkuma first, the Chief Justice, Wood, and profitability in a term. The cotton again, then into a successor, Sophia Kusu, and Ramso Powell. Strangely, among four petition President Mahama said, Lincoln reason, occasionally, in the opportunity near and as I entered down the Hassan, a dear pan lawyer who said, what the cost of women in Ghana. And a man who said, Sisi Awaban, Womudianaba.
Now, a man be so I'm going to form an alliance to support her because I feel here. Among us, more Dimupa and Abba. Maybe say, I don't know politically, I had done with the idea.
Yeah, and I mean, can say that I had the members of the party there, Chan Becker. But nobody tried running meeting. We are now a question, can we 14 voters at the Abba. They were both NPP and NDC. All more members into our election. 14 voters in a boa and election. In this will be the presidential candidate. That's a difficult to say Obenya voting voters yaba. Not just a party, the chances are 50-50.
Dog, we are surprised after hearing say or no, and NDC for Ajatu say on back it's excellent on the Mahama.
I wasn't so much surprised because of some of the members, economists here, or you greater than the current vice president. No, the other boss. It begins the former president, any flag bearer, Nansen, Bribram, a professor in English. What are the business and economic questions? Who was an engineer and the Florida? And the woman's factor not so in the middle is a very good strategy. Maybe and motivating woman could
Kumo TV, yene Hereford as so number at the
Amaya.
Right, we have for Dr. Osei Bunsu, a political science lecturer, Methodist University, and a botanic, and was away English Yaga, and this faculty, and said that for difference piano. Oh, no one was also COVID-19. We hope enough.
And Temeka President Nankasa Echo protocols no, or chair say, or say put the protocols in place. Also, be a face mask. Now, so call this will be a benwa. Also, caution who said they were also be a winner COVID-19. Now, betting your call, and will be a say COVID-19. But President will call 14 days, and also be a no close to you. They are not traveling the coon.
Jake point they said, President near dia in conquer isolation. He said, Omoko cabinet meeting. And after cabinet meeting, never told you I said, must suspend the cabinet meetings because ministers need to be. That time, President called isolation. But now the crowd for the cabinet need to be. It's you win idea. Why do you go on isolation?
But Minister of Health done on the by our kind. And what been in President will also be obeying any. And to Una also call. Because President will be a quarter no yare. President won't test her. Also be obeying any. What you are testing or negative. Also for 14 days. It be an what you say will be any be in chain. And what share Nippon in but we're not testing negative. If you are any day, to also call 14 days now, some prescription here, they must say, or one you see, no, used to say, by ya, almost a COVID-19 be better than them. If you are times where I was 1 hour, where I not talk. The president, almost
we know every man in your team, and farmer, because earlier said, Minister BT said, Indian staff, Ukraine, and also not to call self isolation. The president Saba, nothing. The close relatives need be an answer, staff need to send India, or so sample isolation.
No, it's not about like that. President, this is first isolation and all. What I say. But now the closest friend as a close military canon, nebi. But I think the be a big canon one will be when you be. Okay.
One you must say, and you're not so much in there. And you was something for the Yana, and I did president of isolation.
Mean to mean chair. But President Nani. And until now, because as a subachi for the minimum say as a subachi on Quadma from Prime Minister on Quadma. On Quadma, as a subachi, the Indian film for now. But minim and only power when they be a president and for the Antibia. May the president proceed as now may follow. Or see the closest friend as a Nippo can pay any. It also testing negative. Because on Tanasi Piana as a CNO. To also go 14 days, not in a two, or the two measures so. And it's not president to go.
All right. I was also Silopi on Kumo TV. Then you didn't come on COVID-19, and then the appointment of Jane Nana Pukwajiban as NDC 2020 December 7th running mate. Hong Kong and Jane. For an issue,
I am so, Mitian, my people for the episode. Mrana Dahas here. They are very a test of the didn't question it. Or my test home, your test home, we are near catch also call. Or my home couldn't be a navy. When your man Casamrana, or my set up to a year full. Oh, until I can say you are more problem. Maybe that's an example. Maybe try the young person say, or more testing. When or more testing now 1 year near Castle, yes, to say. Now, bank of forward until 1 year been tinting, no one question them. Been where you mean. I draw my penny to the Ghana for the young dear, Ghana for my penny fire. On a dear, was to say 14 days, 8 be I know what 1 year be, and you know, so on quite that them. On question them, see the bear be now 1 year be tea. But I mean, what Ghana for, she said, oh, confirm the any young media for no, I am near you many. They be a bonus to go. She said, oh, confirm what she said, oh, what tells to be a more coffee. Until results in about 2 weeks, then if I call you the breed to me, that is a certain way I go for the blue. Okay. Who to be button now in the girl? Or be to me yet, test will be near so results in my back. 2 weeks time, 2 weeks in the banana paconanda, and what 1 year. But meanwhile, acquire one in the earning the money enough for. That is what your son go for. And young mamma, and young mamma see Arena Cassan. See your Musuyo Munyama, I didn't almost Cassan in your way out here. Cassan no better Macan, Cabacabo, with the PP Saba, that's school for the woman. On my penny Macatan and so, if the BU school was 33 universities, or flown or the bar SS, or so, in the beer to go. Kwalani drew a yabache. Okay, we are teaching or the bar SS, which SS for the so one kind of crime, Yami crime for one chow. I did say a B school. Muko yana, no what me, I didn't have PPs in me. Yes, when we took a woman in a boy. I did 3 days, and young man went to school for the baby. And then I'm Cassicas and Noyado, oh, baby, TV show, oh, Ghana for, and we made never to do well. I did but I did as what the comma and Susan. No, we are born with our Canadian. Until I know, I am true, I did 3 days. It is already if you fear the buyer. I said 3 days and no dinner money. Young can correct. No, they are no fines and conform the bridge. And it does not say, oh, my penny. I do not own but the old woman says, oh, brown was let it be a yen. Nenny pay who? Who Papa said, no. I am ya. Mimi said, no, I am a personal papa. Me put it here. One in the dear grow, ye be a. And she, Anna, or down. Yaman penny so, said the big Yareni Tuna, young to my MP before. Or my penny ye MP before. President, or your Ghana president. So what I say. And she, as somebody here can. Said your Musu Daddy than near Mamma. And 1 1. And 1 1. Young can agree. Yes. Two, she say, I might have to Ghana. So testing if a 100, over 50, and that's 60%, and a wire enemy. And until I equal for the song bedroom. Because of all not testing me be a navy, necessary be a navy. In Chafferdy, I am not. Oh, quite near catch also PPs in all. Wouldn't so quite by bit to confine or my do musica talk and near one. And she are for the Bano Mugagan. You can ask me once you are good to a sky. Fiscal, you put your mouth on penny. Fiscal, you put your one bar. Fiscal, go for the betray, scan every day. Okay, scan every day.
On my penny, the best man for this COVID. Send this if one to swallow. COVID no. I once name never told. Seriously, because what message of my penny took place or COVID being one. So when I'm fast one managing COVID we up to this time. He's the best man for this COVID. Because I'm going to test by this time. And this not test by this time na COVID yaba. Na ko one in the video.
I know what this one to what is on there na mo ye.
We also say the name they are to buy Ghana for Ankasi Asomad. Wow. Serious. Because PPs are big. Mostly so fake room. But you know be na face mask no. Ya really one say ya be ya really here. Ya can't just say don't the by ya really and face but nima wo say won am krom. Who PPs near you so. Ya can't na and the COVID na kon anim. Seriously, because the PPs na was the protocol na was use no because yare na check wo na okowu but then Ghana phone take it sir enema we serious
right
yes
Ghana phone take it serious and ministers
how will you put this
no so much promotion
what man
dey no dey mama be fetch I mean kasi enye
mo na mo mra
me kasi enye ba dey person ka kire on me say wa shemra
no
go last day o je mu ade yi mu party na lesson say fedi esi wo kote
after party ma mo ko yi mo
ni me ko so
mo so mo ko yi mo mra ni
don't think there is a difference between Mahama and General Kukwajima. The value is the same, incompetent and merciless galore. Fellow Ghanaians, if you want your child to have free SHS, then vote Akufo-Addo. What are the thesis? I am the BC. Teacher Kujo, Tepa Enyinasuso. I say, how can a lady who cancelled the teachers and nursing training allowances be a vice president in Ghana? Mahama has lost in advance. Do you think Ghanaians would vote for you to come and cancel nurses and teachers teacher training allowance? Sofiakwa Enyejuma. Ghanaians are discerning. Regards to Honorable Suleiman Ademu Afo Ano North MP. Ono the Abba, I don't know. Nanaya on cancer also from Asutare, right. Good evening, Sir Mike. I'm enjoying your show. Please tell the NPP man to admit that the president has the disease and they should not take our lenient to be our weakness. No, we know, and we know for sure. Regards to the NDC man at the studios, okay, and also the Abba, I don't know. We say, good evening, Sir Mike. When did it happen that some people who have not tested positive will go on isolation? Is it not only Akufo-Addo? Is he afraid to die? We pray for him. He will not die. He will live to see the disgrace of his defeat come December 7th. Regards to Honorable Asiru Ketia. Okay. Also the Abba and on the ambassador Emma Muhiz Eba Center. Dr. Mohammed Isa Ababiu. I say yare no emu ana hunamani a trend ena oba ana obusu ani bia fanebra stroke hepatitis ena hawo ana say obi ena wakwa woso ena obi wa anyem kwa otimi mo the town na atwam aso atwam kura wo no emma ra no nche na hama dun ka ketu abi anu anu wo no beba tentem so kura doctor say wo awuti wo ye bema what tika na akwa yo ba ho ade abefina fie da bia oba no sori a twu adanya juma e wo se wudi di ne yie pa se me cameraman no ntimi ne sa doctor sebra na ontimi amu otru pa de o ma ama otimi abodwuma pa ama won so no otimi sa ware na ware ye no aso atumi abaso awon so na emma kumasi odu amoma so do mi abra ho na Dr. Mohammed Isa Ababi wo sebra na ompa etru fama na etimi ewo na so yefo daddy ana momi na etimi emo wo ba enye on kwa na eba oba no kwa ntimi masa ma nyi oba na be ma nyi akabumba na doctor timi ahwemo awon otru we use Herbal Center wasem na meken kumasi odu ma taxi rank one na obisa mo do be ko mohiso ana fa na home 0249 616937 0249 616937 ofrenu abayo so na afi ko bi o no otumi ene kwatwa paso fa be ncherebra na yenya emre enkenkan emfama afi yimra mu the appointment of Jane Nana Kuku as the running mate for John Dramani Mahama December 7th elections. Na Dr. Sebosu, I'm sure say Dr. Sebosu Kasano was she Jana Adefiu. Jane Diano the negatives not to also send positive. Now you be open na dey say say nyama waye no e nyama for time e shase. Until we say the man be pray. And again, looking at my meno background now, would be match M1 NDC. Do you see it like that? And I say,
said the city, Mammy will go in Mamma Queen, no crown, na me, I see Mahama as incompetent, seriously. Because Mami will go, share anybody, president and vice. There should be at the football. Number 9, number 10, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 8. What you say? There should be a liberal or be a 4 and 5. To one ever head of economics teams, no. Mami no. In case you are 2 about Mahama, Mahama president, Mami never be head of economics team. Now Mami will be head of economics team. Because what a show,
a professor, learned person like Professor Jane Nana, also want to be head of economic management team.
Mami way. Obey the man with the church training allowances. The man with the child lessons for allowances. Seriously, make us some real children. Ghana election na Ankasa. Ghana independent native say 57. Very good. But Ghana politics in an independence 2012. I took over alien verdict in the Kufa West alien in Krokai. Was after this Ghana election in the same. And then we know 44% no money. And you Saku farm. I'm some do be born in Pakon Betis. No party no. Serious. And then I want to maintain Mahama no money 44. No to be back, let's say, one in the million one. And you imagine say, John Dramani Mahama. Mami was a running mate for NDC. And this party in Louis. And a pressure. And the man in Mami will go in Mami. See, all the funny change.
Okay, upon the say, it's necessary to Dramani Mahama. So when me and Vinia, should it happen with me and Vinia? Now or part, the next person now one. Like it's a baby.
When a young fan artist being equal, say Mami, I'm waiting to say, the running mate. In case of say you're running on my line here, next president, as a face, no, Mama the only maybe as a face, no one man wage and say Mahama way. Ah, Mammy way, they medium a person man do you man, no one knew said, no one near my door say.
Now in this in him.
Mama, only serious. It's a failure when you Mamma and Musa are failing totally to lead them 20 years. Serious. Because Mammy will necessarily name him say, Mammy will be education sector, a man son, a Giana by a Diana, and may also a work from your Magia Diana. Simon poor teacher for your Diana, a good year see, a good year see. Teacher for people, allowance to training them. So the Professor Nekan. Me say, and this doctor, they're not Dr. Nekan. Me say, Omun need to say, oh, me had it be beer 20s.
Okay, Mama, I'm going to Jacob. Jake, the issue of Jane, I'm focused on a teacher allowance of between teacher for Musomo, but I'm a boy. I don't understand. What is the strategy? Why did you introduce this woman 69 years?
When Barcelona come match.
Okay.
Barcelona for the Omayi message in Ama, or Basha was it there? You message from the message on the background. When to me, we would know. I dear we see, Mupe the airful. Mewa, no way be the power. That's the Mahama name, and we have an unwilling the power easier of program inside Makuma, really, press conference, lawyer, Babia Samas, and none was a wound, or you should wear it. After will be a dinner.
What then you
see Mahama, and Bugana for so do a papa.
Are you sure?
Okay, what's it? Also, always respect Ghana for running mate. I'll you always respect Ghana for.
That's what about.
That's all bad. It's incompetent.
He was referring
to.
No,
press conference. This has some now come. Can get also one Bugana for. Nipa Benny, what Ghana have winning Nipa. So we are Corao, so you can you. Can you do my also one Bugana for the end while one Bugana for? I wanted them to be a dinner time, because social media comment at the go 14. I would say, I know I am Cassasi. When we say, maame no kura mpo no ɔyɛ vice president a wontumi nyɛ hwee maame ma no ebi ana Ghana bakɔsam no ɔsɛ dɛm folo mekyerɛ no adeɛ folo ne tua adeɛ Ali Mahama president Kufuor yi no no ɔyɛ deɛ ne background for education no ɔyɛ deɛ wobɛtumi akyerɛ no ɔnkae hɔ ɛnneɛ na ɔnyɛ finance koraa ba NPP foɔ ka so president Kufuor yɛ ma mu no paa mewa ɛna ɔmo wie a ɔmo ka sɛ ɔbɔ no ho mmɔden ɔmo kɔɔ primaries Nana Akufo-Addo nya bɛyɛ 3,000 no ɔne na bɛyɛ baako 140 nipa baako 140 ɔmo kɔɔ elections no so ɔmo yi obi a ɔlidi NPP no si deɛ ɔno logic na wɔkyerɛ sɛ Mahama ni hɔ a maame wei ni hɔ a ɔbɛtumi aba nti mema ne logic a ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmampanyin Kufuor-Addo bi ɔmo so ɔmo bɔ ne ho aba so sɛ ɔbaa ɔbɛbɔ adwuma ɔne Ali Mahama no edu si yɛkɔto aba yi wɔ mu no ɔne Nana Akufo-Addo gyina na alankyerɛmɔte mu nyina gyina ɔmo nya vote obiara nya vote kyerɛ na alankyerɛmɔte na nya vote kyerɛ no baano ɔno na ebu a president Kufuor ama mamuo no mu bɔ mu aba so tu maame kasa hwɛ president Mahama a ne yɛ so na ɔnya finance ɔyɛ communication expert ɔno no time nko a ɛna yɛnya single digit for 1 year 12 months bi si da na ɔtabamia kura yɛ bɔ n'aba so wɔn deɛ wabɛn wɔ sikasam wɔ yɛ ba ɔmo ba pa ɔmo nya bi 1 day kura ɔmo nya bi ti mepɛ sɛ mekyerɛ sɛ ɔmo nti ase awo ayɛ sɛ ɔmo ni so biro ɔmo nti asɛm no ɔmo fa ya no ɔmo ka
but people also Professor Jane mentioned negatives
meka ɛdɛ meka ba besi wɔ mepɛ sɛ meka ma asɛm ba besi wɔ saa wɔ ni yɛ te sɛ edue ɛne wɔn ankasa ɛsono no and as a dream was soon in a punta. Sanya, my petty never or try allowance, and or try we will petty allowance. How many at the bar, NGC for the allowance die. Oh, I don't know much of no. The woman make us in the America. Kwame Nkrumah did buy a loop before buying the tomb. Next allowance, runs in the bar. But the person said, you don't know our friend, what's all your practical science?
Yes.
Practical science at you, or Baba Chaya, what's Adina or Chaya, Sidia, what classroom, no, all balance, no. I also know, Brepa, and go Jana, go Unimasi. Niggas so Jano, practical science, they say, what can they be a enya? No, I can't be a ye. No, they are to no balance, no. But also, or Bobby, or Nusu say, Enya. Wouldn't no poor no pushing, say, ah. So ye way. Oh, I know Dominica was there be where they started president before time. Let me so boy. And what pushing say, yeah, Benny started, sir, Merano. Ninka any check and then you are seeing answer near get to a view. Near go near. Oh, but me, they said, one besides, I said, you're very man. What kind of water? And do so pushing the question so. Mammy, I say, I know ye say, or see there be. I don't cry and cash. Baba bi o susu wa ye bonu ni dia no dia nya pa ene che practical sa we mi fa me bank na classroom so nche ne practical sa oh David me you right you're right me you right say maka yi hu firi me ko hu kwanya ache say amakoba ni ka bia me kan bi chere no ade an ko che no kokko nche say NDP that's not chana me kan say papa we da bia no ka say no ni so na me chi so am say ah papa we wonya practical science o we ya tu nche so dia tu nche the moment mama ni so me ka say c'est ça so dia ndi me mo ma me ana me bo Akufo-Addo
Right, yes, I am a Fakaba, and from a Sinupi on Kumawood TV. You so, yeah, Jim Como, yeah, the running meter, NDC, Amaniku, Akui, and my Excellency John Dramani Mahama, and NPPC, we on your match cry to the Dr. Muhammad Wamia and to the NPP. We so aiding on Enco. Some was it somebody about Minyaman Angel Ato Bright from Obuasi, Ashanti Region. Please, Mr. Host. Jesus said it is finished, and with Jane Nana and John Dramani Mahama, it is finished. Why is the NPP man in your studio crying? I don't think he's crying. Okay. We say good evening. I'm enjoying the discussion from Eunice Atebu. Okay, Eunice Dion, so the Abba Elenok. We say my name is Besma, watching you live from Libya. Nice choice. From JM, okay, Bismarck, Etienne, Libya, for okay. I say good evening, Sir Mike. How can JDM select someone who was fighting for the scrapping of lecturers' research allowance and teacher training allowance as a running mate? The indecisive man has made another bogus decision. Nana Twaso, regards to Honorable Nana Kwame Asamoah Boateng, DC Jacobu. And also the Abba, I don't know. I say the government has finally approved and have started giving out the free 150 Ghana Health Service relief funds to each citizen. So enjoy it. Okay. DJ Omale and Wayosi. I say Professor Jane Nana offered a hand in JDM's failure in her tenure as education minister. Of university teachers research allowance. 3. Introduction of 3 months pay policy. Regards to Honorable Martin Eji Mensah-Kosa, candidates, parliamentary candidate NPP Techiman South. Okay, and also the Abba, I don't know. Emilia Wright from Aswasi. I say if NPP really think the running mate for JM is no match for Dr. Bawumia, when they shouldn't be worried because that is what they are interested in. It is good now that teacher trainees have seen and appreciated the works of Professor J. Nana Opoku when she was education minister. Women empowerment. I say greetings to all social democrats. Okay. Good evening, Sir Mike. Watching you from Nkranza. I like your show. Please tell the NDC man that we are solidly behind him. In Sia, and so they are right. Father, so in your break, come and check about also what you want to so that's me. I'm faster and from a God's way caskets. This should be every one. In my yako, and my dream. You bet me there, said Yam. And I said, I dark I did see from a month for bay, yes, and some baboon in Ano. And it's not dark, I will be so to see from so. Somebody, that's what I can so. And as a form pa, but a Kumasi, I'm not fanting town. Now, if you know, Yenya Daka FM from now, ye seeker, now be out than the piano, Akujawa. The one bull and so are fire if you know, if you watch, and never purpose the visit for you. A day about them video coverage, and I feel so about sky, whatever you know. Now we are, never to be that. You see, Mubia anymore. Now that can say, be out and back teacher me, now I see and said you watch that the Bayamo. If I call a lawyer, now I say, or take auto, and as would dear someone, a Bayamo, or a footballer, now I say, yes, a footballer, and I say, will be a football, a Bayamo, and more piano, the young one that can, Masi. What the answer of Masi. Now, if you know, I will master to now go to me Abuao. We know a the any ball from her, now so he sealed your specification, and no, any God's way casket shop, the MO 0243 737 457 0343 737 457 Frey Nafi Yanemo and share na to me M1. Aha, a Kumo TV, maybe no S, you so ACP L. Jake, we know I use over my firm. Me yes, me casa on board lecture in Indiana, we infuse me the casa, Casa, more. No, but I said, Jane Mensa, You send NDC there, your share cities in voter region, northern region, more support over. And then most of my members know so when they say Muslims also come back. Muslims also end the issue of Omoya so many leaders and that end to Musa. So then how do you convince them? And then how do you convince the people of voter region? Say after say Royals Aircraft. Mudaso any of them
no problem.
I ask questions. So
anytime make address me. When a whole problem, NDC any problem, say you will be a free region. Only say about some.
And the one wasn't there.
I don't just see any problem. Yet will be a nipa or qualified to be a naba. Garden, what you say this in the Acasara. Where a Minaminian Castle. We all find the dear matter, professor. Tell me, you daughter, but you know, being can I Japan in a grab when Tina Castle, find your friend daughter, Mania. What kinds as I'm to eat. But to make us, well, we make us so much trouble. The chess said, we in first. I prefer to quarter time and some million power. But I'm a pessimistic chess said, ye in full front, no being no more bread or gamma or be empty. They were near so your deputy governor. They were. And I say, who crowd with you, you're born in Kuri MPs, I know we are MP for no moon. So I say, about no crowd, put me about 10 times and maybe the other one. But now I did, why you do? I mean, Casa Mitchell, and I'm a couple professor and some of them. Maybe out to about next hour about chair idea, we are watching an idea. Sunny, teacher, and yen idea, chair idea also. When the matcher, my dear, about where the imagine you. You know, a woman of Ocean, he and young for so near because Yaman, I'm a Kuba, the enemy. I'll call yourself in our bedami and the national charm and the national charm. The American say, Nanajiro Ubia, or ye nipa, or Adam Sin, which a bonidi, if you are so be in the bar, when you're bonida. But be a Bacasima, we went as a mark, ye Juma, why ye, Nabrabo. Juma, why you better Sabrina? Now, just say you know you're before. Oh, sir, I mean, I can't know you're before. No, you're perfect, sir. Oh, and tell me you so well be say, or Adam was seen. But Benny Juma, why you? I know they were in the young Copon Thomason. Which my one be. But Benny Juma, why you? Ghana, you need. So, who can I somewhere? And just say, we are before. Well, I know what you walk, I said. And teacher me, I know what you're dear, and what charge teachers allowance. Lawyer need a dear so, care record to her, Kumasi care record. Lawyer need dear or Bawinium. You see, dear men say I could sign, and why a mellow, see a dear Lubia, present to us, I quite young son to you go for. Only last year, and I go for you. So this year, we need, but this year we need. Last year, so more you, Ubukra or Kumubi. Ubukra, dear, yeah, Corona. Where the original radio should be, I know did he get this atom, and you know, court. Maracoya, my present to quite so, or to me, a Phoebe or to me, and we you. Musima, I've been out for Sam to your money. The young lawyer would dear so, oh, man, will care me, Kumasi, care me court. This is the soldier bankrupt, this is the sea of court to them. Near to me, court to them, Blama, when you judge and I know what you're so know when you're yet to make a boom when you go for any free court to them, be seated. A lawyer, the dear so. It is Akasana, Mentisem go for Kakana. What can? In Sabapura, what the team will be soon, 40 dinner also. I mean, ye data force me, visible for only you will be yes, I'm Muska. So, my idea. Yes, I'm Gina Moon, you didn't call, you don't call court, our your friend say, a squat court. Oh, Triama, what people phone the general Triama, you and no Kuramusi knew. Tis obiti radio so akasam, and you way. Echewa Bowler court to them, Punko for Joe, go for everyone, and Kuramusi and Media, oh, and they are solid, and oh, yeah. But obiti radio so I don't know you. I know point well about power, not let me be said about power. I am education minister. I'm a kind education minister, I am an education minister. Unia, yeah. Now that you're not also over cancer be. Mamino and ne, you can't universities in you, but who voted you would can, but who Bunafra, only at the buy. ne nyansa mu no tama ɔhɛdi Kikos University no da ɔyɛ panyin da no woni ba yɛ so wodi ɔyɛ education anti ne ka wote ase wa bɛn abadi sua kura de no kura de menye so se anu anu baka because abadi sua pese ma abakura no wa ko school chen na akofo do wa ko school chen Dr. Bamia wa ko school chen ni pass half 4 ni nyina ma me no ɔyɛ number 1 obo edwuma me see apart from universities no NDC ka say be see 200 secondary schools one free power sama me no nko a otimi see secondary schools ba 137 no
say na complete na school for get
me so see 137 na wo do bia o person ka kire
me say na mo wi a school for
me see ni ya wi 137
wow
nti so wo de wo do bia wo de ka na me mo mo aye
me say mo ye less than 50
nti ye sen wo de ka yam bo atefo na ye sen me bua o me nka bi mfa mo person o bua me na ye sen
I think 43 and a half
to de na me 43 me share them because pay free wo 43 bi si da Ghana nya democracy independent education minister be in work first 4 years what Messi secondary schools 40 what's the first time and me 43 no me fra me dia na kan me challenge kura obi enu ho NPP ba for 8 years secondary school 1 kura o man Messi sama no we abon nobody say and go for to so teachers allowance bi kura say vice president ko baby vice president yero ko baby na chokwa asam tinche ma me no ya wonu na dey education minister tinche ya fast as one one sa ya fa me say lecturers no allowance
research allowance
obi enu adoko nti asade nsi ya James can no muji
Jepinasi
ano muji no
right Daniel Yabua was so Mahama has appointed Jane Opoku Ajiman and she was not able to convince Mahama to finish the Commander Sugar Factory whilst she came from Commander. She was part of the cancellation of teacher training allowance to Assemble Badebi. So what message is she bringing? In fact, Mahama has chosen a wrong mate and he's in big trouble. From Azeman Ventures, Chronom Markets, watching you live, Mike, with my staff. Nomination of Professor Jane Opoku Ajiman as a running mate to John Mahama is a great honor, but we shouldn't forget that she is the 8th female running mate in the history of Ghana's politics, and no female has been vice president in the history. Repeat, coming December 7th. Okay. Lydia Nofaro Chema was it ex-president Mahama has pulled a dictatorship stance on NDC, making himself relevant, even if he loses 2020 elections. And a candidate the NDC cannot do away with come 2024. JDM and Jane pair is a threat to free SHS, restoration of teacher training allowance, etc. The message of Farouk, main founding this year. Teachers now day about Paul, this time round, bow and a head back. And the man knows what I said, and I said, yes, it seems that I feel and I'm also young.
Yeah, me as I said, Obekase, a day in NDC for any votarian, so we sign us a question, or the one. Oh, baby, the fire. We sign a mammy, come to me, come on, many positives. The mammy, and I feel that she will at two. It's almost a moral as a motion. Sunday man, a roller say, and a votarian, motion. We running meter. Yen na wa ha yen nkramufo o ka nkramoni asem metiame ho se bia wa nkramoni ko ma ha ma wa nkramoni very good o asent me fan
sa mo di e suma so ye wo sum ye wa sa ma nkram de en chesi so obi plus obi nya kan ni chesi o ye nkramoni enti sua ye ya wa santi kramu enti wa kasa enti min kasa obi onim apa yi sa apa we so mu franya
okay
I know me tell you
from you K University. Even say if Nana Ado and NPP can go behind just the restoration of teacher training allowance and nurse training allowance to increase Ghana's total domestic debt from 122 billion cities since independence to 250 billion in 3.5 years. Then it's better not to pay the allowance at all. Nana, the mafia man, prosperity will judge us all. Even the FK University, right?
And also, it's almost for terrorists for no cry, the Rollins and no mushroom. A mushroom, Yako, share all your as reality, Ghana, and your way culture, and then near my way. You were Christians, and you were traditionals, they were Muslims. But Muslims, and Casa, never American. You are no Muslims for no, or more dear, or more per se, because more per se, Sebe, or buy a man in the power. But what is a young couple was saying was a bema in the doom and in Bompire each and every day. What I say. And your man say, Ebia, my would you also ban the woman and Bema and do many. And one cocoa you also factor on in. You are free. That is a sign you. You need to fact all beside
Baba NPC and Mahama. Now the late Emisata, any Muslim.
Yeah, can't just say Emisata any Muslim, but where Bema.
But when you leader.
David, where Bema? Come on, the say.
I think we must enjoy the buy. Well, I'm worried. Jake, now on my progress, I say, or the free Kranza, say, Mike, I'm watching you live. Please find out from the NDC why they have been failing to appoint a Muslim as a running mate or a flag bearer. What is the problem?
That's the main motive.
Why the Casa or MPP and that's why
CPP.
A free 1992 NDC. So because we so be a trap way. NDC court your respect. Be anti the news young you wait to we now who free bill. Or papa. I never know Casa. Yet is how. Yet ye can't be the near the right down. Maybe I'm an engineer. Yes, no problem. I remember me on into 603 602 0200 603 602. Which me a friend. Now, if you have open one, now what the volume of your TV set. Now, what you ɛwɔ phone no enti on TV ne so ti on phone no na yentimi enti on kai Mr. Champo wo akwa me very good evening over echiakwa minti
hwe me say no mo say what all the message na kwande by but this time almost who get run me pressure na man the performance because Shania said the name see corner Ghana said they say Ghana said they say no people say running mate as soon have be pressure this time no as soon you need to factor Muslim in what they say me no be anu nan say nkramfo percent even to mo bompire kra na me for mo bompire no say susu your bompire that be
Hello. Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, fancy. I just said you one right.
Good evening.
We didn't be free.
Mr. Free, I'm a man you pull out.
Okay, my dear.
What do you mean this to me? No, prisa. Oh, no, but press. Captain, do no, but when I was pretty too much. Oh, my brother, not to one empty meaning, Cabby. And I don't want to make us a Saturday. I'm welcome.
Okay, my man, say hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, but
Manaso Akrama, voice not from Manaso Akrama.
So, that then for Muslim, Mamma, almost Casana, Bakuya was with your TCR. I mean, tell me you are wanted. Huh? No, we said, Woman, achievement, I'm not one of the private you. Now, only I can.
Okay, too bad. Sorry. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
Hello.
Good evening, you are free.
Yeah, yeah.
If I shall go back, no one the volume of your TV set, no one your phone. Good evening. Okay, I think it's a Fancy. On your ready. Oh, back, no one lower the volume of your TV, no one your phone. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
Yeah, if I tell you, Northern region.
Northern region, yes, you.
If I tell you, I can say, Mamma, Jamahama, Ayino, Edwin, yes, Remo, yes, Ramogana, yes, one, young someone, we are interested in you, especially young someone. Oh, sure, take custody, I have to put a ready, papa. So, Upama, you need the papa, the vice president. Upama, papa, no, always. Here, I NPC, and I hear the one in the NPC, the never can walk about.
Okay, yeah, I see. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good
Good evening, you are free, ain't you?
Good
Good evening, you are free.
It's 22 so.
Free.
It's 20 tapo.
Tafu, ain't you?
Pacho. It's Yamu, your family.
Yet you by that Sipa.
Number.
Hello. Hello.
Look, I found the Jonathan the first to say only.
Christian Oliver, okay, yet you.
Oh, or my dear, you can't have some far, and my who or my woman. Oh, I could be said, you know, to that woman. If you say, in my one cata was a sample. Sure, or my parents to win to say, Papa, would be a cool case in a Ghana ma. If I would so, and maybe I remember. When the kid or baby will do a mine, NPP to me at the puppet dear woman. I don't know what I say. What Madina? What man is doing work with you? Ain't the bar from my own one bar while your politics are going to have. One get on me and the Abani there, then you did too.
Let's see. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
Pacho Aziz, you make a safi do me.
Oh, the agency Aziz.
Pacho, there are seen a Jumapayame and Shram. But me empty before the Omuya Krasiano. You mean Thomas, you. What I say? Then a year 5. What I say? Year 5, no, you see, over. And I would have moved man, okay, president, I know Kwaman and now, and mouth keeping interview. Okay. O Musubano, no, young for no cry and to baby. Yariana, but is Yanwa, ne Hagana, ne had you know, Yakobi 21 plus. It's not to mean cut the Elfaho, and I'm moving the Echo or Ghana. And then to be cracked, you don't want someone. What my no, not money for 12. No, you're 5 on the Yamutopicana. And before I'm talking about Mupa, Mundiga, report 2021.
I say, I would say, now press on for my.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
I'm in Casa Free, Kumasi.
Okay, good evening.
Na me Femi na nase.
Nana ain't you?
Na me pacho MPP nino MPP for musu obana na. Omusu obana na. Na yesi ye mama kwan na omusu na parliament na se mama yi oba so no so me ramete ade musura na. Entokwa no mo ga na safunu wo mo a wo mo saso mo feel ring ni mo ai. Dem fin dia John me chen this for more Ghana anyina bye bye.
Yes, so yeah, I see. Hello, good evening.
Entokwa no ga na safunu wo mo a
oh, Bana, what you will not perform. What you want phone? Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, I'm free from him.
No, I saw me talking in the bar.
Okay, good evening.
Oh, okay.
Why am I you?
Hello. Yeah. My patrol. Yeah, I'm saying your friend is and Kwafani away say. Yeah, Bema Bessia and about to Bessia. Now, everything and this will not Casago or Casa too much. It's on one home. Now,
okay, am I that's hello, good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, we are free.
Mr. F. Kumasi Tafu.
And it's you.
That's all MPP now on TV. And so we need to work. So, and my MBB to the and about so I say idea of Barbie Tia and not better Tia or Barbie Tia. And I MBB to the
hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yeah, we are free.
Oh, but it's free Atuna. That's what I say. Atuna.
Okay.
I can't Philip. Why? If I told no, they say, Mamma, a former president, you remember, a slow Mola, or Muswala, MPP for Muswala. Because my name achievement as well. I'm not see also. I say, Emma and Mark, I know you into Alamo, our politics. I didn't know, I call you about they say, they criticize my minister. So, we see about and yeah, with your own 2020, you have got 2 about the head with the being. As I say, I'm morning, you know, what you say about me, Eddie. I was doing a former president, I'm a yet to woman, you know. Kenya empata wa riye no mu kra no abutia ma me na ko amoma ko nyafen nko mu hwo wonu ka fere yiye no ba so yi pa me da masi
hello good evening hello Mount Go no ko from net here phone good evening
oban gazi na mapom di zai
ya de me ho ya pa de be free
yo we de wa di se ko fi ndisi
bra ko fi ntio
open here, many a big mammy, Naminkia, and I will some more stuff on the Obia, Naminkia. Opening, young more excellency John the Money Mahama, young one of papa, because for Johnny Mountain, for Mamma Ma, you see a woman of the young woman, and Ma, and then 2 months, she said, and now or about to be vice president, manager. What I said, you don't want more by you, never seen one before. So mumba then and this for the mumba papa what I say when any didn't can you produce a ma awo amelo
banana from NDC for the city omu show many na group committee na and on that
what I say when any didn't can
right okay
hello
good evening.
hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
Actually, facing Kumasi.
Okay.
I need to say what I said. I don't know what I said.
Right.
I don't know from now, but I want to know.
Okay.
I don't know what to say.
Yeah, far for no Asia. And then we want a man about so I think
a man
shall say contribute fully in political discussions, and I think so because now it has John Dramani Mahama, you see, has shown the way. That's a credit farmer NDC. Okay. Well, you're not massive. I mentioned Mr. and Mrs. Donko, more Tiku, Yachibaro. Very good evening. Yes, sorry. Take 10 seconds.
I find crowd soon as some day when the lecture here because of our council, the young come for your me and said, Oba Bomb Musuma Koso. NDC, Maka, Tama, your Mahama Tam, when you team be my airport, train to free Tama straight to Maka. You never be very near and yes, Obi, in Premu, you in your leader too. Mamma, no, the evidence said. Emma, media, a US de Bia, Kansas and Ma, or Mudo, Mua, can say a US in Nakamani ideas. Because a mad laws to tell me, and I think a parliament is the American rights are banned.
May I say, Mike, Professor now intervening, Doctor, very good. I mean, Shanapa, Metzina Meniaji. So you see a beam, Meniaji, and I'm Shan, on Canon, your baby anyway. You better, a beam. Shall necessarily be a customer and team contribute you, but me a catcher when they say a pressure. And I'm a tundra man, you ban. And your pressure a beam, and when you are banned,
well, we are rare. Channel TV na O'Shea na Afi so and come proud sponsors Mohis Herbal Center and Afi so God's Way Casket. Ma Yentia that cause health service and Jenat Herbal. Some of my present Baba na Medino XB. We are really free piano. I mean, shout na on Carmeling Eddie Michael Nana Admacon Oti Paul Asari a NPP communication member in Ashanti region. So and Oti Jake Azantilu and so a regional communication team member for the NDC. Earlier on, Oti Gambu. And so Enka from Bantima. And then on phone, Dr. Osei Busu, political science lecturer at Methodist University. The producer, Bernard Ade, cameraman, Kobe Frank, MCR, VTR, Onyabro, President Fluobana, Akonoso, Loretta, and Afis, Augustina, executive producer, Samuel Pamnat Dako, PM, Uchinozo, the one, director, Sam Dakus. And Queen Lady, and so a boy, a Bromidine, and Michael Nana Adma, who from Mr. Magami Admochna, I don't know, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. Asia, not in Snoopy, more minor, and